How are you? How are you? How are you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your pencil? I like this book. I like this book. I like this book. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What is this called? What is this called? What is this called? Can I have some more? Can I have some more? Can I have some more? I'm feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. Can we play together? Can we play together? Can we play together? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. Can I have some ice cream? Can I have some ice cream? Can I have some ice cream? How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? Let's go outside to play. Let's go outside to play. Let's go outside to play. Can I tell you a story? Can I tell you a story? Can I tell you a story? I need to finish my homework. I need to finish my homework. I need to finish my homework. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? I'm excited about the field trip. I am excited about the field trip. I'm excited about the field trip. Can I share my snacks with you? Can I share my snacks with you? Can I share my snacks with you? Do you want to be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? I have a question. I have a question. I have a question. Can you spell that for me? Can you spell that for me? Can you spell that for me? Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt.